Hello my good friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial video, I want to show you how you can play YouTube on background. I know we use YouTube for fun, either on listening on music, watching videos, and on sometimes you meet that while on YouTube, while watching or playing music on YouTube, you cannot multitask. You cannot open any other app, since when you open any other app while on YouTube, it automatically stops. Now, on today's video, I'll just show you how you can play or watch YouTube videos on background while multitasking, either chatting with your friends or browsing. For example, you can see I can use WhatsApp. Likewise, when I'm on YouTube direct, when I open any other app, whatever I've been doing on YouTube, it stops. Now, on this part, to watch YouTube on background, you need to install one app by the name FlowTube. So it is this one, FlowTube. This one will help you play YouTube or listen YouTube music on background. So you go to your Play Store, then install the app. I've already given you the name. It is known as FlowTube. It is already on my phone. So you just install the app. After installing the app, what you need now, you will accept for the app to run while on other apps. So when you install the app, when you open it, you have to search anything that you want to watch on YouTube. For example, any music or video. If I want any video, I just search my favorite. For example, if it is this one, I'll start watching. You can see it has started watching. But
what's going on?
Again, I can do other things. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial for today. We will meet again with another tutorial. If you are happy with my tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.